In today's special episode, I try out a brand new vlog camera and then unbox a huge package from Cale's parents containing Christmas goodies and family relics. All of that and more in Vlogmas Day 23. So, I broke my camera yesterday. See this screen? It's now not attached to my camera, and it used to be attached with these tiny screws, and we tried to find the screws yesterday at Home Depot, at Best Buy. Absolutely zero luck in finding those screws. But one thing we realized when we were looking around Best Buy is, why don't I just buy a new camera? For those who've been following the Vlogmas fun since day one, you will know I had already put in an order for a new camera that was supposed to come, at least when I ordered it, it was supposed to come between December 29th to December 23rd. An update on that showed that it was not arriving until December 29th. So we decided to buy a new camera instead, and this is what I ended up getting. I have been a fan of Canon forever, and this camera, which is the Canon G7X Mark II, I use pretty much every day for the last 3 years to make over 250 videos. This is a good camera, and if this wasn't broken, I would probably keep using it. And actually, the replacement camera that I got from Amazon is another Canon G7X, but it was the Mark III. So I kind of had my heart set on that camera. But when we were walking around Best Buy, a different choice presented itself. I'm currently filming on a Sony, this is what I'm currently filming on. And while I love this camera, it's a really great quality camera, I hate vlogging with it. I needed something small and compact, which is why I really like the Canon G7X. But I saw this guy at Best Buy, and this is pretty much Sony's version of that camera. Excuse me. And I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today, and I'm gonna try to vlog with it today to test it out and see if it's a good camera for this channel, but most importantly, if it's a good camera to film my soap making videos, my bath bomb making videos on, because that is what this channel is all about. It comes in 2 colors, and I chose to get it in white. I might regret that decision later on. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna switch the battery in this guy into this guy, and I'm gonna start vlogging with it and see what happens. Okay, scratch that. The battery that comes in this camera is totally different from the battery in this camera, so I'm gonna have to charge it because it's not charged at all. But we are gonna charge it for maybe like half an hour, and then we'll start vlogging. Hi, Dempsey. Wanna say hi to the vlog?
Those jowls.
She is such a jowly girl. My pets are such camera hogs. So we have it plugged in to an outlet, and it looks like it's charging from this light over here. One of the reasons why I picked this camera as well is it apparently has a really good internal mic, and it comes with this little muffler guy so that the wind doesn't interfere. So I do plan on taking this guy on the road quite often, and you just snap it on here. And another reason why I picked this camera was because of this hot shoe. So if I ever want to attach an external mic to this guy to make the audio even better, I have that option, which is awesome. Little puff thing.
I love the puff thing.
This camera's gonna get so dirty after a couple of years.
Jeez.
Quick earring of the day. I already wore these in another video, but I didn't talk about them. They are my bubble tea earrings. Someone said they look like little milkshakes. They absolutely do, but they have little bubbles at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. I love bubble tea. So when I saw these earrings, I had to have them. You gonna brave the cold?
I'm just gonna grab the broth from the lamb shank stew. What I'm gonna do is, we have a beef bone in there, and I'm just gonna combine the beef bone with this broth here, and this will be about like 1 serving for each of us.
So something came in the mail. This thing over here. I'm going to unbox some of it for you guys. Not all of it, some of it. This box is from Cale's parents, and this box has stuff for Cale. Cale has a birthday coming up as well as Christmas, and I was specifically instructed by my mother-in-law to not let Cale open this package when it came. The first thing we got, and this is a mystery, is a sock. A pair of these little socks which belong to neither Cale or I. I think that might be one of our niece's socks. Stuff we can reuse for our own packaging. This says, please open today. So I'll do that with Cale. There's something in this box. There's an envelope that we opened on Cale's birthday. Stocking that he's had since he was a child that we need to hang up. There's a Christmas gift for Cale and I. We'll put that under the tree. Another envelope for us to open today. I'll open that with Cale. Okay, I'm gonna open this and see what's inside of here. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a commemorative plate for Cale that his aunt and uncle gave him for his birthday. So I spoke with your mom, and these were the items that she approved that we look at or open today together. So do these tiny socks belong to you, Cale?
I'm gonna say no.
No.
Did they at one time?
Maybe.
Okay. Is that all part of the package?
This was part of the package.
Okay.
And it was, yeah, rolled up. So this envelope says, please open today. So let's do that first.
Okay.
So they sent us the place cards that our nieces and nephews made for Thanksgiving. They call me Uncle Jerica and they call Cale Auntie Cale. This is Cale's parents with our nieces and nephews on Cale's side. Isn't that a beautiful picture?
It is.
So they also sent us these. Did you want to open this one and I'll open this one?
Okay. Should I just go for it?
Yeah, just tear in. Be careful though, I think it's glass.
Ooh, wow, very cool. These are part of a glass set that I can remember my mom having since forever. This one says Seasons Greetings on it.
Oh, Seasons Greetings. These are gorgeous. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm really glad they made it in the mail, especially with how cold it is in Calgary.
Me too. Yeah, and how old these are? These are family relics.
Are they? Oh, that's so special.
We should get some eggnog and have a
Drink it
big
from here?
glass of eggnog. Yep.
Yep.
Because that's just what I think of when I see these glasses, are little glasses of eggnog.
I already showed them this beautiful plate.
It's from my aunt and uncle. They probably just got it for me when I was born.
And the last thing is this. And I'm really excited to open it. It says, please open today. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is a gorgeous artwork. It's a cross stitch by Cale's mother, and it's beautiful. She sent this stand with it as well,
Okay.
so that we can just hang it on the mantle or something. Just one more thing.
Oh, yes! Yes! This is what we've been waiting on. My aunt's mother-in-law made those.
Wow.
Yeah.
Testing. We are operational on the new camera. So far so good. Things look like, oh man, the light looks like it's adjusting much better on this camera than it was on my Canon camera. Look how beautiful that cross stitch looks. We have to get these packages to Chit Chats, and then we are going on our adventure. You excited?
Yeah.
First impressions right out of the box. I really like it. I have fiddled with no settings. This is in the box settings, and I already feel like everything is focusing really fast and the colors look really good.
Ooh, I like the big red light so I can tell that it's on.
Do you want me to carry any?
I think I got it.
I got the door. You see it? Aw, I hope his dad comes back soon. I am testing the low light capabilities and it is really good. I think we look pretty lit up. But Cale and I are done our grocery shopping. We are now on our way to Value Village to grab our white elephant gifts. We have a $10 cap on the item. We'll bring you inside and show you what we find. We are back home after doing our shopping, and I'm actually in the studio because I want to make some bath bombs, and I wanted to test this camera out to see whether or not it's good for that kind of filming. So here are all the colors for my bath bomb today. I am actually making my Lazy Bear bath bombs. I'm using my bath bomb press today to press the bath bombs. I'm a little nervous because I turned on my humidifier, and right now it's at 37, so that's a little dry for my liking. But looks like it pressed perfectly, which is good. I actually forgot the glitter that was supposed to go on the top of these bear bombs, but that's okay. I have a trick for that. That works really well. Before I take it out of this mold, I'm going to put the glitter in the cavity of the curing tray where the bath bomb's gonna be, and it'll just stick on there. At least that's the hope. Let's put it in this one. And this is my Pegasus Bio Glitter. Look how beautiful that is. It has little moons and stuff in it. So the whole theme of this bath bear is nighttime, getting rest, being lazy, and it's okay to be lazy. And it pressed perfectly. Woohoo! Let me show you what that looks like with the glitter on. So here is another bath bear pressed. This one has the glitter on it, I remembered. And there you go. Beautiful. And I know this looks really blue, this bath bomb color here, but it's actually Royal Dark Purple from Fizz Fairy, and it turns purple, a lot more purple the next day. I am impressed. Look at how dry it is in my house right now. And those bath bombs pressed amazingly. So my final thoughts on this camera. I really love the Canon G7X Mark II, but it had its limitations. I feel like this camera has solved all my issues with the Canon G7X. It's very fast in focusing, it's really good in low light. I'm just super impressed with it. If you have the budget for this camera, I say go for it. I'm gonna link to it down below. My voice is like this because I was singing Miley Cyrus at the top of my lungs, and that's how it is in the studio sometimes. Why are you screaming like that?
You should announce when you're coming into a room when someone is wrapping presents.
Oh, so you're wrapping presents.
You're so lucky. You're so lucky.
Who is that for? Is that for Gibson?
Now it's your turn.
Dempsey's just so confused.
Why are you bum rushing me?
Because I'm done making bath bombs downstairs.
You're bum rushing me as I'm wrapping gifts.
Well, I would like to actually close out the vlog if you would like to help me.
Look at those big ones.
What? Wow. Oh, that's exciting. So this is a pretty low light situation, and it's focused on my face. I was telling them how much I love this new camera.
Yeah, I like it too.
But that is basically it. Let us know if you have used a Sony zv-1 and if you like it or if you hate it, and let us know the reasons. But that is it for today. Cale and I got all of our Christmas shopping done, which is awesome. I can finally relax about that, which is really good.
Yep.
We're ready for our Christmas parties that we're going to. So we just have 3 more days left of Vlogmas. Whew, that just flew by. Just flew by. And if you want the recipe for those bath bears, that's on my Patreon. And if you want to check that out, that is linked down below. Speaking of my Patreon, thank you to my patrons. You guys are just amazing. Thank you so much. Your support has meant so much to us during this crazy busy time. Thank you guys. But that's it. I think we're going to close out the vlog here. Until the next one, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and have a happy holidays. Bye, guys.
Good night.
Good night. It's tracking my eyeball. That's really cool.
My eyeball. These are for the gift exchange.
Oh, okay.
But that one's for you.
Thank you.